Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today Bank Nifty was up by more than 1200 points, and if you were in some triangle or something, especially a non-directional trade, you would be absolutely screwed today. Okay, so it's very important, like I keep telling you, direction find करना is very important and you have to side with the direction. तो आज जो भी non-directional खेला होगा, I can guarantee you उनका most likely loss हुआ रहेगा, अच्छा वाला वो भी. See, if you do watch our videos consistently and if you derive value from them, please consider hitting the like button because आप वीडियो देखते तो हो पर like बहुत लोग like नहीं करते, so that really helps us. So if you want more learning content and if you want to motivate us, please hit the like button. We would really appreciate it. Okay, so now I'll start the video. And sorry, one more announcement. In another 10 or 11 days we have a workshop in Mumbai, okay, on 11th and 12th May. So if you want to learn our setups and if you want to see what kind of trading we do, what trades we take, okay, because we share that with the students, you can sign up for the workshop. We have like some new setups as well which we have like devised to combat the current market. I think it's a very value for money kind of a workshop. So if you're interested, please sign up via the link given in the description below. Okay, so now let's get started with the Bank Nifty analysis. Now first thing, okay, what does today's candle tell you? This candle tells me this is a Marubozu candle, okay, which means all the buyers in this candle at any point, any price you bought, most likely you're in profit. मतलब क्या है कि अभी put sell करके trade करना will be more sensible than going with a non-directional bias or selling calls only, which is suicidal. Okay. Now first thing I want to tell you about today. I told you if you traded non-directional then you were screwed. अब non-directional क्यों नहीं खेले हम? ये bullish engulfing दिख रहा है आपको? मैंने उसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाया है कल. बहुत कम लोगों ने देखा है उसको. तो if you want a mini setup, अगर एक setup को trade करना है कि आपको फ्री में चाहिए अगर एक setup, तो please go and watch my video of yesterday. You'll get a mini like setup to trade. Now this bullish engulfing, this basically told me 47,700 का जो पुट है ये हफ्ते में जीरो जाने वाला है. This is the logic we had. So that's why we were bullish. Okay. Now whenever like we get a bullish setup, we prefer to sell only puts, okay, rather than calls, because calls में what happens, you can't predict like where to get out and all. So mostly whatever call we sell, if we've sold, we just exited at double the price. So first thing is for today, why were we bullish? We were bullish because of this bullish engulfing, and we just knew these puts, all these puts were going to go to zero. That was the indication we had. Now then today's candle, I'll show you. See, I always keep telling you this gap is a resistance, okay? जहां से gap down होता है वो एक resistance होता है. So this was a support, okay? Again support here, but then we had a gap down, right? So now look how price reacts there. Same level के ऊपर whenever price came, it came down first, okay? And then एक और नीचे जाके उसने ऊपर किया है. Okay, so ये रेजिस्टेंस का ब्रेक हुआ है यहाँ पे अच्छी तरीके से. तो बेसिकली अबव दिस यस्टरडेज हाई वी न्यू अगेन इनिशिएट मोर लॉन्ग्स. एंड निकी का फेवरेट है, मतलब निकी व्हेनेवर शी गेट्स अ ट्रेंडिंग मूव ना, she trades best on those days. So today was a perfect trending day, and ऐसे type of days में put sellers earn lesser than call buyers, but at least put sellers always earn. Okay, so we have that psychology with us always intact. Cool. Now for tomorrow what can we do, right? So first thing is, because market bullish है, okay, three things can happen. या तो gap up हो सकता है, या तो flat हो सकता है, or market can gap down. Okay, now let's talk about all the three scenarios. First scenario, if market gaps up, okay, so if market gaps up, market already has traveled 1130 points, and especially if we have a big gap up tomorrow, okay, I don't think it's a wise idea to go aggressively long then after a gap up. कि like हो सकता है it can go up, but like नीचे अगर आया you will be badly trapped, which we don't want. Okay, we want to escape the losses whenever the losses happen, so we'll try to escape them. So what you can do, if it gaps up, and just mark the first 30-minute ka range. Assume market is trading here. When the 30-minute range is broken on the downside, that time you can start selling calls दूर के. Day high के भी 300, 400, 500 points दूर के. If there is premium, if there's no premium, then just skip it. Cool. So what may happen if we get a gap up? Then market may come retest this and go up again. So basically कैंडल कैसा देखने मिलेगा, ऐसा दोजी टाइप ऑफ कैंडल भी हो सकता है कल. It can open up, go up a little, come down and then go up again, right? So this kind of a candle can happen. Now what if it opens flat? What if market opens here in this flattest zone, right? So ideally what we want market to trade sideways like this, and then after 12 o'clock it should break out on the upside, and then we can continue the bullish trades again. Okay, so this is ideally what we want. फिर bullish खेलना है. But even if it opens flat, okay, यहाँ पे in this zone on the downside till 49,250, I still consider this a flat opening, and the bias above today's high should be bullish only, right? Now the most important, when market closes at day's high, everybody is long. Okay, so gap down खुलने पे what is going to happen? I think if market opens gap down, most likely let's assume market opens here, okay, it can do some time pass, but then it will go up, test this closing, and then we'll see whether it goes up or it like comes down only, right? तो गैप डाउन पे मेरे को लगता है प्रीवियस डे का क्लोज टेस्ट होएगा एक बार तो भी एटलीस्ट। कुल, सो बेसिकली माय व्यू इज आज के लो के नीचे के सारे पुट्स ये जीरो जाने चाहिए, ये सिंपल है बैंक निफ्टी में। एंड डेली चार्ट देखोगे तो ऑल टाइम हाई के ऊपर हाईएस्ट क्लोजिंग है। हाईएस्ट क्लोजिंग मींस लाइक यू डोंट लाइक सेल कॉल्स एट ऑल, ओके। All time high पे don't try to do that gambling of selling calls because you'll be screwed brutally. So bullish indication from the daily time frame. The day has closed at the highest point. Okay, 15 minute पे I told you gap up, gap down and flat पे what you have to do. Now let's look at Nifty. Nifty को देखते हैं। One more thing I'll just add, बैंक निफ्टी का पिछले वीक का क्लोजिंग एक दोजी टाइप ऑफ कैंडल था। दोजी में I have always told you दोजी का high if it breaks you have to play bullish, low breaks you have to play bearish. Okay. Now similarly remember this. Similarly Nifty I am marking a high and low of the doji. Now this upper level is coming up to 22,625. So market has closed above that. So above today's high, if market goes, you have to play bullish only in Nifty. Try to avoid trading non-directional because market all time high के पास ना, तो अपने what we think many traders we think कि ऐसा कैंडल ही बनाएगा, but इसमें मार्केट में पूरा पोटेंशियल है ऐसा बड़ा कैंडल भी देने का। ऑल टाइम हाई पे ऑन द अपसाइड यू कैन नॉट कीप अ टारगेट कि इतना ही जाएगा उतना ही जाएगा, कितना भी जा सकता है ऑल टाइम हाई पे। फुल इन निफ्टी सो डेली चार्ट पे आई हैव कम नाउ। डेली चार्ट पे अगेन आई एम सीइंग अ बुलिश कैंडल। बुलिश कैंडल मींस द बायस हैज टू बी पॉजिटिव, व्हिच मींस ऑल दीस पुट्स इफ आई वर ट्रेडिंग, आई डोंट ट्रेड निफ्टी बट इफ आई वाज ट्रेडिंग निफ्टी आई वुड बी टारगेटिंग ऑल दीस ओटीएम पुट्स, right? And my expectation would be that all time high would break or at least be touched once. Now let's look at Nifty in the 15-minute time frame. First thing is this was a resistance. Okay, so market went there, came up again and then broke, right? So whenever market comes here, support milna chahiye. So it got support in this zone, right? So market even if it comes down, this is a support zone for me. 22,400 to 500 के बीच market for me is a support zone. वहाँ पे you should think of buying only, not selling, right? So I've told you what to do if market comes down. But let's talk about tomorrow. So tomorrow again, if we take out today's high, last 3 days का high Nifty will take out, okay? Then we want a good candle, 15-minute good candle close we want. And then we can expect more movement on the upside, right? अगर flat खुल के break करता है तो अच्छा है, और भी अगर gap up खुल जाता है निफ्टी में तो see the निफ्टी में अगर gap up खुलता है तो its all time high is very close by 22,770 के पास है, right? So अगर 70 पॉइंट्स का भी gap up खुलता है, मैं 700 के आसपास will go, 22,700 के आसपास will be trading. So I would expect the all time high to be touched at least, okay? And if it's touched, like I don't see like why you should be selling calls in Nifty at all. I would rather take a stop loss in puts tomorrow rather than lose in calls. So that's my like mindset. And I told you in my video yesterday, I don't like to fight a lot. So simple, see like a lot of traders, they'll do like 5, 6, 10 adjustments in the day and then they'll make profits. And there are some traders who just by looking at the charts, they can try to gauge like where the market is going. And then they just take a like trade and they stick with that trade. We fall into that category. We don't like to adjust like 20 times a day. And हमारा accuracy काफी अच्छा है. So we are doing this YouTube since like January. And इतना हमारे channel पे at least मैंने accuracy देखा है. I don't see on other channels. Cool. So Nifty में again I'm just reiterating. If it gaps up, I still expect it to touch all time high. And if it opens flat somewhere here and then goes up, because this is a resistance, like यहाँ पे सपोर्ट बनेगा वो, अब उसका ब्रेक किया इसलिए, तो 22,600 तक if it comes down, still we are looking for a long trades here. Cool. So that was it from this video for me. Let me know if you want us to add something or cover something else or any way to improve our videos, and let's see if my analysis goes right tomorrow, and I'll surely post like how much profit or loss I make tomorrow. Usually I do like every Wednesday, okay, because that's where the bank nifty expiry. Also don't get trapped in strangles, don't lose a lot of money. I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye bye tomorrow.